What are the key dashboard warning indicator lights in the 2023 BMW X1, and how can drivers interpret them to ensure safe and efficient vehicle operation? How does the cluster guide provide critical insights into the car's performance and potential issues? If we talk about its interior, the dashboard offers sleek design and advanced user-friendly technology. The touchscreen controls navigation and media, while the instrument cluster displays speed, fuel, and alerts. Door controls manage access and movement through entryways, often using electronic or manual mechanisms. The steering wheel is the primary control interface that allows a driver to direct and maneuver a vehicle.
Instrument cluster.
Cluster indicators. Steering and lane control assistant, brake system. Parking brake. Risk of collision, pedestrian warning. Forward collision warning, vehicle detected from left. Seatbelt reminder, airbag system. Dynamic stability control, anti-lock braking system. Dynamic traction control activated, tire pressure monitor. Engine warning light, steering system. Collision warning switched off, rear fog light. Lane departure warning, collision warning restricted or failed. High beam headlights, turn signal. Side lights, low beam headlights. Automatic high beam assistant, lane departure warning. Automatic hold, manual speed limiter. Cruise control, active cruise control with distance control. Speed limit assistant activated, speed limit assist. Lane change assistant in progress. Lane change assistant not possible. Front collision warning switched off. Active blind spot detection. Lane change assistant functional requirements not met. Assisted driving mode plus. Safety precautions. Know your symbols. Immediate attention. Don't ignore a flashing symbol. Stop driving for red warning lights. Check manual for unknown symbols. Regular maintenance. Cluster awareness. Don't distract yourself. Low visibility of symbols. Use an OBD2 scanner for diagnostics. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more car maintenance tips. Thank you for watching.